Meaning of genito-urinary.
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 Genito-urinary. The term genito-urinary pertains to the organs and systems involved in both reproduction and waste excretion, specifically referring to the genital and urinary organs. These include the kidneys, bladder, ureters, urethra, prostate gland, testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, vagina, and vulva. Disorders or diseases affecting these areas can cause a variety of symptoms, such as pain, discomfort, discharges, or difficulty with urination or sexual activity. Regular checkups and timely intervention can help detect and manage any issues related to the genito-urinary system.